If you find a video that gets too bright when you're using low brightness such as this, you can easily go through your settings. You just need to go through here, and then you go tap on that three stripes on the top right corner. You can just tap that, and then you can head on to settings and privacy. Then you can scroll down until you see media quality, what this does, and then you click on that media quality. As you can see right here, you can turn this on, disable HDR video playback. HDR means high dynamic range video, which offer greater quality in area of extreme brightness or darkness. So what this does is Instagram is trying to provide you the accurate brightness of the video. So if you set your brightness to low, it will still continue to play the video on the correct brightness of that video. This is very good if you are trying to view a masterpiece video, but if you're just trying to watch your video while late at night in your room without no light, you want to turn this on, because what it does is it just hurts, doesn't it? So after you turn this on, you can just scroll back, and then you can continue on watching reels and without getting too bright.